know shoelaces have evolved? They're called Hickeys, a new lacing system. A new idea. Fasten once, never tie again. Make all your shoes look better and feel better.
Who are Hickeys for? Everyone. They work on any shoe.
What makes Hickeys so special? Once installed, you can slip on and off your shoes. You will never have loose laces again.
They adapt to your muscles' movements, making sneakers more comfortable.
They are easy to use and you can adjust the tightness.
No messy bows. Make your shoes look, fit, and perform better.
Hi, my name is Marikel.
And I'm Gaston.
And we are the founders of Hickeys.
Hickeys lacing system are the evolution of shoelaces.
What started like a cool accessory to slip on and off your shoes has evolved into Hickeys 2.0, a smart, adapted lace alternative that makes your shoes fit like a glove.
This is why we're here today, to introduce Hickeys 2.0 to our beloved Kickstarter community. We launched the company with you and we want to give you the opportunity to be the first ones to have this product.
This is Hickeys 2.0. Same idea, but now more durable, more comfortable, a more streamlined design, more secure, and we offer two different models, adults and kids. Hickeys 2.0 allows your shoes to mold to every curve and arc. We wanted everyone to feel their feet muscles moving in synchronicity with their shoes. How does it work?
The fact that Hickeys 2.0 connects only two eyelets at a time makes it possible to deliver a targeted, customized fit. The key is to thread Hickeys using our different lacing techniques. If you have a high arch, you can loosen your Hickeys or tighten them up if your feet are too narrow or flat. Hickeys is the only lacing system smart enough to be truly adaptive.
By segregating the levels of tension that you can put on different areas of your shoe, you actually give your muscles a lot more freedom to move. We disrupted the way that you lace up your shoe completely. We don't just turn your shoes into a slip-on. We give you the perfect fit always.
You may remember our earlier model of Hickeys that was funded by over 3,000 backers right here on Kickstarter in 2012. Since then, more than 2 million people have turned their kicks into slip-ons with Hickeys.
As you can see, the 5 years went by and we are still with our Hickeys family and new family now coming along as well.
We want to grow our Kickstarter family too and inspire more people to live a life without laces. With your help, we can change the footwear industry and make all sneakers look, fit, and perform better.
We can't wait for you to try Hickeys 2.0, so pre-order now and get them in time for the holiday season.
Love your kicks!
Thank you.
Simple. It's about overcoming complexity. Simple for us means being smarter about everything we do. We wanted to apply that idea to make us healthier. A main component of being healthy is, are you moving enough? So we wanted to ask that very simple question and answer it with a simple product. So we came up with the Shine. The Shine is an activity tracker that's smart, elegant, and really strong. It's carved out of a block of solid metal. If you want to be technical about it, it's carved out of aircraft-grade aluminum by micro laser drills, so we've built it to last. Because it's made of solid metal, transmitting wirelessly is almost impossible. But to keep things simple, we developed a new type of wireless sync technology. All you have to do is place the Shine on your smartphone. The Shine synchronizes with your phone, communicating with the app, which is now available on the iOS App Store. Your sync is complete. No wires, cables, or pairing. Simple, and I think really cool. After studying how people use their activity trackers, we noticed the main use: making sure you reach your daily activity goal. With the Shine, you check your progress by tapping the surface. The LED lights display how close you are to achieving your goal. Answering the question, are you moving enough? It registers your bike pedals, swim strokes, and distance traveled by sensing your movements. And it's the size of a quarter, so it's easy to wear even when wearing almost nothing. It's waterproof, practical, and elegant. In keeping with our philosophy of thoughtful simplicity, we're trying to simplify the process of making stuff. That means we run a tight ship with a small team. And that's why we're starting here at Indiegogo. It's what we call the lean hardware movement, making it better from the beginning, prove that there's demand, and then create. We're also going to open the Shine's API so anyone can make something new, and we're inviting people to create their own apps. It's about making things smarter through simplicity. We put a tremendous amount of time and energy into making the Shine. We're looking to you to prove you'll love it just as much as we hope you will. By funding our project, you're saying that you want it. And it allows us to overcome the complexities of manufacturing and lets us focus on simply making a great, elegant product.